Okay guys, I'm in the kitchen again with Madison and we're going to be making 3 different kinds of mug cakes. Triple chocolate, peanut butter chocolate, and I'll call it birthday cake, confetti birthday cake, I don't know. We're going to be making 3 different cakes. Please don't forget, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started.
Hi guys, welcome back to Mommy's channel. Today we're gonna make mug cakes. So we have 3 different kinds. We have triple chocolate, and we have vanilla again, of course, and then we have peanut butter. Let's get started.
The first one we're gonna make is the triple chocolate, and Madison is going to go over the ingredients.
First we have some flour. And then we have some sugar, and then we have some unsweetened cocoa powder, some oil, some almond milk, some chocolate chips, and some sprinkles. But these...
And what else do we have in the flour?
Baking powder.
And what else? Salt.
Salt.
So you're gonna need a mug and a spoon to mix. So what's the first thing you gotta do?
You gotta add in this.
Okay, so you're gonna pour in the flour.
Yep. And you wanna make sure you don't do a mess. And then next we're gonna add in the sugar. Let's start. Sugar. Next we're gonna add in the unsweetened. Next we're gonna add in the unsweetened cocoa powder.
Just gonna mix it up.
Yep.
Because you want to mix in the dry ingredients first. Because remember, we have salt and baking powder in there. So you have to make sure and distribute the baking powder and salt really well into the dry ingredients, so the whole cake can puff up and be nice.
Yeah, because if you put the wet ingredients in the dry ingredients, if it's not
Let me help you mix it.
It's not gonna like turn out good.
And all 3 mug cakes that we're making is considered vegan because we're not using any eggs, we're not using any dairy, and the chocolate chips that we're using is also vegan. I can show you the chocolate chips that we're using. It is these by Enjoy Life. So the only ingredients in here is unsweetened chocolate and cane sugar. So, because it's certified vegan. So once all the dry ingredients is really well combined, then you want to add in your wet ingredients. So that is, what is this, Madison?
Almond milk.
So the almond milk goes in.
And then the oil.
And then the oil. And then you want to give that a mix. That's okay. Mix it up.
And you want to, guys,
so this is the first chocolate. I call this a triple chocolate. And the reason I call it triple chocolate is because 1, we have the unsweetened cocoa powder, and then we have the chocolate chips, and then we have chocolate sprinkles.
Guys, and you know what I call it? Triple chocolate fashion cake.
Oh, wow. Triple chocolate fashion cake?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we going to throw in here next?
The chocolate chips.
Okay. Dump all of it in. And then we're going to add in
the sprinkles.
And then give it a quick mix. Okay.
It's hard to mix cake.
When you put the stuff in?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because sometimes it gets a little heavy for me. Like.
Is it like?
Sometimes it gets a little hard for me to mix. So.
That's okay. Mommy's here to help you.
It's a good idea.
Okay. So next thing we want to do now is once everything is combined, we're gonna pop this in a microwave for 90 seconds, and that's it. then we wait.
Yep. So next we're gonna make the confetti vanilla one. Now we're gonna make the confetti vanilla cake. And now let's get started.
So what we need? We need flour,
Flour,
baking powder,
baking powder, and salt,
Salt.
sugar, and vanilla extract, and almond milk, some oil, and some.
different kinds of sprinkles. We got
Sprinkles.
the big ones and then the little ones.
Yep.
Okay, so let's mix it up.
Yep. Let's mix it.
First, you're gonna put in the flour.
Yes. And next, you're gonna put in the sugar.
And then you're gonna mix up those two.
With a spoon. And guys, comment down below if you ever had peanut butter mug cake before. Comment down below.
So next, we're gonna throw in the almond milk and the extract. And then we're gonna put in the oil.
Oil.
Careful.
Yep. And then we're gonna put.
No, then you're gonna mix it up.
Yep. Mix.
Which one are you excited to eat?
The chocolate and the chocolate.
The chocolate? You're not excited for confetti?
No, because last time I was, and now I'm not today.
You really like the chocolate, huh? So let's mix. Make sure that there's no flour at the bottom of the mug. And then we're gonna throw in
Sprinkles. This is my favorite part, guys.
and you just
Mix it up.
you don't want to mix the sprinkles in too much because what's gonna happen is just gonna make the cake look really
Rainbowy.
yeah. So let's pop this in the microwave for 90 seconds.
Again. Now, guys, I'm gonna taste this spoon.
Oh,
These are pretty good.
it's pretty good. I used to love eating cake batter. This is pretty safe to eat because it has no eggs in there, so I don't mind her eating cake batter. Is it good? Okay, let's put this in the microwave. That is some good cake batter. I think it's done.
Gotta lift off that thing.
Oh, that's enough. We're all done. This is the confetti. So, it smells good. How does it smell? Really good?
I
Okay,
think better.
so let's move on to the peanut butter.
So now my mom is gonna make the peanut butter.
So the first thing we're gonna put in, and I'm gonna use this mug, is flour, baking powder, and salt again. And then the sugar. You just wanna give it a really good mix. You can see, just mix. Then what makes this peanut butter is I'm gonna add PB2. So you're just gonna put in the peanut butter powder. And then give it a good mix again. And I'm thinking maybe we can make this peanut butter and chocolate. What do you think?
Good.
Maybe we can put some chocolate chips in here?
Yeah.
Yummy. So like a chocolate peanut butter cup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then that's it.
I wanted to do a red velvet cake, but I couldn't find food coloring. Strange, but I couldn't find any. And if you want to make a red velvet cake, all you have to do is use the same chocolate mix that I did. Do not put in the chocolate chips and the sprinkles, and just put in some red food coloring, or you can put the juice of a beet. Juice the beet and use the juice inside of your mug cake. So this is really well combined. So just like before, we're gonna throw in the almond milk and the oil. I like using, you can use coconut oil, but I've noticed I just prefer to use the vegetable oil because it's so mild in flavor that it does not overpower whatever flavor that you're making in your mug cake.
Guys,
And I can show you what it looks like.
Oh, good.
That's what it looks like.
Yep.
It's so yummy. It smells good.
Can I smell it?
And now we're gonna just throw in some,
Chocolate chips.
dump it in.
Da, da, da.
And just like before, you don't want to overmix your toppings or whatever you're putting in here. So that is it. I would, if I had some like raw peanuts, I would put in some raw peanuts in here as well, but the chocolate chip's good enough for me. With the triple chocolate one, I love putting in like chopped pecans. It just gives that extra little something to it. So now we're gonna put this peanut butter chocolate in the microwave for
90 seconds.
You guessed it. Now let's go.
And guys, comment down below what your favorite cake is. And I decided next time we're gonna do a strawberry juice cake. So now, guys, we're gonna take a picture of that.
This is the chocolate peanut butter. Looks so good.
Guys, comment down which whipped cream if you like whipped cream.
So this is a non-dairy coconut whipped cream. It is vegan. It's certified vegan. So you can top your mug cakes with some whipped cream and get to digging in. Okay,
I love it.
so which one are you gonna have?
I'm gonna have
Confetti? So my daughter is going to use her regular whipped cream, but if you wanted to make the confetti vegan, you just use the coconut whipped cream.
yummy. Look at this.
Okay.
Mine just looks so happy. I just want to cry.
You want to cry? Okay.
Because this looks so good.
That's
Happy cry.
okay, guys. So this is the triple chocolate. Remember, I said if you want to do the red velvet, you can absolutely remove the chocolate chips and the chocolate sprinkles and put in some red food coloring in there and top it with cream cheese frosting. And you can also add some chopped pecans in there. I love putting that in. This is the chocolate peanut butter one. My coconut whipped cream is all melted. It's still gonna be delicious. And this is the birthday cake or confetti cake.
Birthday
So I'm gonna try the chocolate peanut butter and Madison's gonna try the confetti cake. Oh, look at it. You can see that chocolate chips in there.
Look at mine.
So good. I would advise that you guys eat this like as soon as possible because it's nice and warm and fluffy. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So good, right?
Oh Jesus. This is
Madison is going to town on her cake.
Just keep on eating.
Is it so good? It is so good. I really do hope you guys give at least one of this recipe a try because it's so good. It is like it's perfectly sweet. It's not too sweet. It is nice and fluffy. It is not dense at all. It is really, really delicious. And what you can do is if you don't want to use regular sugar, you can use coconut sugar. I've used coconut sugar before. So, I mean, I just wouldn't use brown sugar because of the molasses in the brown sugar. I just don't like that taste in the mug cake. But so you can use the same sugar I did, or you can use maple syrup or coconut sugar. But I really do hope you guys give this recipe a try. It is a 100% vegan. I showed you the chocolate chips before, the almond milk, the whipped cream is vegan as well. So this is so good. I love it. It's not something I will eat every single day, of course. Once in a while, I love making these.
I really hope you give our recipe a try.
Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on Friday for maybe, what are we gonna make on Friday?
Cupcakes.
No, not sweets again. So on Friday, I'm probably gonna be bringing to you guys some delicious compound butter that is a lifesaver in the kitchen. So I'll see you guys, and thank you for making mug cakes with us. Bye! Oh, remember guys, every ingredient that I use, I'm gonna list everything in the description box below. So do check out the description box so you can see other variations as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.